Hello children, under chapter 10 and this video exercise 2 and exercise 3 we are going to see, that is multiplication of money and division of money. So first we will see about multiplication. So rupees 21.90, that is 21 rupees 90 pies multiplied by 3. So here if you see, the amount is in decimal. So you know how to do multiplication without decimal. So with the same process we are going to see, and after multiplying, after getting the answer, we are going to include the decimal in the answer. Okay. So first just check after decimal how many numbers or how many places are there. After decimal you have 1, 2 places. Okay. So first what I am doing, I am just checking whether how many places of numbers are there after decimal 1 and 2. So that I am writing here. So now I am going to start multiplying. So now forget about the decimal. Just start doing the multiplication with the normal method. So 3 into 0. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 nines are 27. So 7, 2 carry forward. So 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 and 3 twos are 6. So here you have to write the rupee symbol. So now we have done the multiplication. So now we are going to insert the decimal in the answer. So here we checked, after decimal 2 places we have. So here in the answer, from right to left, from your right side to left side, moving from right to left, 2 places. So this 2 places, 1, 2. Shifting, moving 2 places, you have to keep this decimal. That's it. Okay. So we'll see one more sum. Multiply 5 rupees 25 pies by 23. So it is a multiplication with 2-digit number. Rupees 5.25 into 23. So here first we have to check after decimal how many places of numbers are there. After decimal 1, 2. So we have 2 places of decimal. Okay. So now forget about this decimal. Do the multiplication from 1's place. So that is from 3. So 3 5s are 15. 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 3 5s are. Okay. Now just don't include this decimal. Forget about this decimal. 3 5s are 15. 5 1. So I am writing here this one here itself because I don't have any other value. So directly I am writing here. So when this 1's place value multiplication is over, now moving to the 10's place. So when you do multiplication with 10's place with the second row, the 1's place you have to give 0. Then only you have to start multiplying. 2 5s are 10. So again here 1 carry forward. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So here 2 5s are 10. 0 1. Okay. So add these two values. 5 plus 0 5. 7 plus 0 7. 5 plus 5 10. 1 plus 1 2. So what happens? 2 plus 0? The same 2 will come. So here we don't have any value. So you can consider it as 0. and 0 plus 1 same 1. So here I am going to write rupee symbol. So now we have completed the multiplication process. Now we are going to insert the decimal. So moving from right to left side, how many places you have to move from right to left? We have made a note, no? 2 places. So from right to left, 2 places. 1, 2. After this 2 place, keep a decimal. So the answer is rupees 120 rupees 75 pice. Okay. So we'll just see about the division concept. So here division with 91 rupees 50 pice by 3. So this 91 rupees 50 pice has to be divided by 3. So this 3 is your divisor. 91 rupees 50 pice is your dividend. Okay. So 3 outside. 91.50. So here the divisor is 1 digit. So inside the dividend also I am going to take 1 digit. So how many times 9 will come in 3 table? 3 3s are 9. 0. Bringing this 1 down. So here 1 is here, 3 is here. So in 3 table 1 we will not get. So what can we do? The divisor is bigger, the dividend is small. So we can use the property 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So any number which is multiplied by 3 into 0. Any number multiplied with 0 you will get 0, no? So 3 zeros are 0. So why we are doing this? Once if I bring a number here down, we have to do division. Since the 1 is smaller than the divisor, we are using the property of 0. So 3 zeros are 0. 3 into 0 is 0. So when you minus, you will get same 1. Now we can bring the next number down. So now, so you should be very careful here. So before bringing the 5 down, we have decimal. Okay. So this decimal we have to shift to the quotient. Okay. Shift to the quotient and then you have to bring the 5 down. See, without shifting this decimal to the quotient, you should not bring this 5 down. Okay. So now 15. So 3 5s are 15. 0. So now bring this 0 also here. So we'll get 3 0. In 3 into 0 gives 0. So remainder came 0. So the remainder is 0. Quotient is 30.50. That is 30.50. So any number which is towards left side of the decimal is rupees. So any number which is after right side the decimal, you will call it as pice. Okay, we'll see one more sum. So next sum is example 298 rupees 50 pice has to be divided with 6. That is here divide. Rupees 298 50 pice by 6. So 6 outer 298.50. Okay. So here 6 divisor is 1 digit. So inside if we take 1 digit, it is smaller. So now we can consider it as 2 digit 29. So how many times 29 will come in 6 table? 29 will not come in 6 table. So we can search for below 29. So that is 4. 6 4s are 24. So if you subtract, what we'll get? 5. So now bring this 8 down. Now it is 58. So 6 tables, how many times you will get 58 or below 58? 6 9s are 54. So subtract, you will get 4 again. So next, before bringing this number down, you have to shift the decimal to the quotient. So shifting this decimal to the quotient, now bring this 5 down. Now 45. So you have 45 in 6 table? No. So below 45 you will get in 6 table. No. What is that? 6 7s are 42. So 45 minus 42, you will get 3. So next, bringing this 0 down. So how many times 30 will come in 6 table? 5 times. 6 5s are 30. So now the answer is 49 rupees 75 pice. Okay. So hope you have understood. Thank you, children.